Sure what this sounds like right here. I'm in full tones here. What the hell is it? It's not a magnet. It's not a magnet. It's iron. It is iron. It's an iron ball. Really weird. It's heavy. Is it another one? Two of them? Is it another one right there? It is two of them. What the heck are these for, man? It's crazy. Really weird. Both of them are iron. This one's iron too. I see some iron on it, some rust on it. Crazy. Some ball bearings for something. Weird. Yeah, I'm not gonna even go next to iron with the Deus 2. Alright, just stay out in the open over here. I know the limitations of the Deus 2, and the Deus 2 does not do well in tot lots, right? Just way too big of a coil, way too powerful of a machine. I have to push a lot of buttons to dial this machine in, and to keep it dialed in when I'm in tot lots with this big coil. I'll just stick with the open out there. I just found two really weird ball bearings. A shiny one and a black one. Big ones. Yeah, right next to each other, yeah. It's really weird. I don't know what the heck to go to, man. Iron?
These staples from that fabric.
Yeah, yeah. Junk. Iron. Kurt found some jewelry? Kurt or Walter? Did you find jewelry? It's junk?
Yeah.
Still, it's jewelry. At least it's something.
Looks like junk to me, but...
Oh, it has some bling on it. It's on a spring. That's weird, dude. What the heck is that for, man?
You put it on your earlobe, and it kind of cinches up, but they come off all the time.
That's crazy, dude. Yeah,
Yeah.
little stud. He got some bling bling. Some bling bling with some with a gemstone on it. Awesome, man. Oh yeah. Oh, bring it, dude. Bring it. I got a target right here too, a smooth tone. Pencil racer. We are at an elementary school, so there's gonna be a lot of those. What was it?
Quarter and a nickel.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Yeah, Yeah, bring it. Sounds like another coin there. He's on to another coin. Another coin? A zipper pull. Oh, wow. Junk. Junk here, deep. It's junk. It's iron. Oh, it's clay, man. I don't know, man. Just the square tones, I just gotta lose tones a lot with this. Right? Some iron right there, or some jewelry. It is some jewelry. Yeah, freaking bring it. Oh, it's a ring, dude. I found a freaking ring, dude. Oh, crazy sick, man. I was just not hitting it, dude. I was like pulling it. Is it iron? Is it iron? What the heck is it, dude? It's a freaking ring, man. Look at this thing.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Crazy, dude. It was just not hitting it very well.
It's been in there a while. Irony.
Yeah, iron. All right, it's an iron ring. Yeah! Freaking epic.
It counts.
It counts. A little junker, man. Just barely hitting that target. Barely hitting that. In square full tones. I could, I'm gonna just put that in my bag there. It's just a junker ring. So, I'm in mid-frequency here. Program, 24 kilohertz frequency programmer. That was awesome. Just barely hitting it, man. I'm just going to need a low here too. I think I could raise my iron volume up here a little bit too. 3. I'll go to 5 here. 5 iron volume here. Yeah, 20 and 40 kilohertz seem to work the best in tot lots. From my experience with most machines, the higher frequencies work better.
Well, the 40 kilohertz works good because when you get next to the big steel structures, right?
No, 40 kilohertz you hit it more when you're close to it. It's harder to identify the targets.
Drop down?
Yeah, drop. I go to 20 kilohertz.
Okay.
I think 20 kilohertz is a good sweet spot for the local legend and tot lots. There's really not a lot on this tot lot. It's been hit a lot. I haven't even found a coin yet. You found a quarter and a dime? I haven't found any coins yet.
You found a ring, though.
I found a ring. Usually I don't do tot lots with the Deus 2 because it's just too hard to dial into tot lots, right? It's a very powerful machine, so it takes a lot of dial in. Just keep on pushing buttons and pushing buttons to keep it dialed in. But I did find that iron ring. Got it going on. Full tone, square. I think we should head back over the park, huh? Since it's not so windy.
Yeah.
The park is all tore up. Look at all the branches and stuff on the
that's
grass. Yeah, that's a pretty freak windstorm, man.
It was making me nervous.
Right, making me way nervous too. I was like, nah, I don't want to be smacked by a tree limb.
Scared me.
Scary. It's too scary for us.
No, when I went over that right there, it just scared the crap out of me.
It's too big?
You hear that thing?
Yeah, it's huge. Sounds like a big post or something. Oh my, yeah, way overload. Huge post here. Yeah, you can hear blip, blip, blip. It's overload.
Too junky to me. What do you think?
Yeah, it's junky. Yeah, it's clipping out. Try this one right here. This is a screamer.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dig it up, dude. Hell yeah, dig it up. I'll do a live dig right here.
Oh, that could be something. Oh, gravel. Gravel.
That wind really moves the shovel around, doesn't it? When you're trying to stab it, it steers your shovel around in spots so you don't want to be digging. Yeah.
Nervous, maybe?
No, it sounded deeper.
It's in there, isn't it? Did it disappear?
It's deeper. It's deeper. This ground is hot. It's clay here. It's just in the sidewall. The pinpoint, these pinpointers don't work very good in the soil today.
Oh, like gravel. Did it move?
Still
Right
deeper.
here?
Yeah, it's deep. It's straight down. It's straight down. Pop it with the shovel there. It's a little bit deeper. There you go. Now try the MI4 on it. Should be out. Oh, sounds junky. Sounds junky. All of a sudden it sounds junky. Could have been on this edge though too.
There.
It's a coin. It's a dime. Hell yeah. Both machines hit it.
Yep.
The 6-inch coil and the 9-inch coil both hit that deeper coin right there, right? And I would say the Legend hit that a little bit better.
It was hitting it good.
It was hitting it really good when it was still in the hole.
40 kilohertz, I think.
40 kilohertz. 20?
20.
20 kilohertz, yep. Single frequency.
Yep.
So I'm running at 24, he's running at 15, he's running at 20. And we all have different size coils, we're all getting stuff. He has a 6-inch coil, I have a 9-inch coil, he has 11-inch coil, we're all hitting stuff, right? We're all hitting stuff.
You want to check this one?
That's a screamer, dude. Sounds really good. Oh, it's junk. What's up with that? Oh, it's way off on it. What's going on here? It's junk.
Is it?
It's junk, dude.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. I would dig it out. It might be some hot soil. You're in 20 kilohertz?
Yep.
Huh. That's weird. It's hot soil. It's iron. Let me try it. It's junk.
Now I can hear it on yours.
It's junk, yeah.
Yeah.
It's bubbly.
It's iron.
It's iron. Foil. What the heck, dude? Why?
You explain it to me because I don't know.
What the heck, dude? This is some really hot soil here,
Did
though,
I
too.
get it all?
Yeah, it's all gone, yeah.
That sounds just like iron.
Yeah.
Explain that to me.
That's just weird. Just weird, man. I'm just going to 6 point something here.
But that was pretty good depth.
7.
You know, for a piece of foil like
Yes,
that.
yes, it was. Plastic. doesn't matter what detector you're using, man. You know, you can take 20 guys out in a field with. Some guys have a lot of experience. Some guys are using really expensive detectors. Some guys are using really low-end or entry-level machines. There's the luck factor, and everybody's going to be getting stuff. It doesn't really matter how much experience or how what detector you're swinging, as long as you're having fun. And we're having a lot of fun. It was kind of scary out there in the field when that windstorm came up, though. That was not fun. So we ran across the street here and got away from the trees out there and came to the tot lot. But the wind went away, so we'll go back over there. Thank you for watching.